Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS UX32E. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS UX32E can't even get through a meeting, it's likely that the battery is failing to hold a charge. This can happen due to age, frequent usage, or even software issues that drain the battery faster than it can recharge. If left unaddressed, you might find yourself unable to use your laptop when you really need it, causing disruptions in your work or studies. To tackle this issue, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery specific to the ASUS UX32E, and a clean workspace. To begin, ensure that your laptop is switched off and unplugged from any power source. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of the laptop. Start at one corner and work your way around, being careful not to damage the clips holding the cover in place. Once you've removed the back cover, locate the battery. It should be easy to spot as it's a large rectangular component. You will see a few screws securing the battery in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these screws, keeping them in a safe spot for later. After removing the screws, gently lift the battery out, taking care not to pull on any attached cables. Disconnect any cables that may be connected to the battery. When inserting the new battery, ensure that it lines up correctly with the connectors. Reconnect any cables you previously detached and secure the new battery with the screws you removed earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have replaced the battery, carefully place the back cover back onto the laptop, making sure all clips snap back into position. Finally, power on your ASUS UX32E to verify that the new battery is functioning correctly. If it powers up without issues, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this problem from recurring, consider regularly checking your battery health through the operating system settings, avoid keeping your laptop plugged in for prolonged periods, and ensure that you update your software regularly to optimize battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.